Question number 28. Question number 28 says two support cables from T of a motorway light are attached to a pair of points A and B on the ground as shown in the diagram. Calculate the distance B to C. Whenever we are given a diagram, the question should become very easy. Okay, we have to calculate the length from B to C, which means we have to find out this distance. Definitely, in order to calculate this distance, I am going to consider this triangle only. If I have considered this triangle, so you can very clearly see in this triangle, it's a right angle triangle first of all, and in this triangle, I have the angle, I have the opposite, and I only need to calculate the adjacent. So part A should be pretty straightforward. I'll use tangent theta. Angle in this case is 70 degrees. Tangent 70 equals to opposite. Opposite is 13.5 over adjacent is BC. So I'll switch their places. BC is equals to 13.5 over the value of tangent 70. Tangent 70 is 2.74. This is 2.74. I'll divide 13.5 with 2.74. I'll get 4.91. So the length of BC is going to be 4.91. Then comes the next part in which I have to calculate the length, the distance from A to B. This is the distance that we are referring to. And again, I have done these kind of questions a lot now. So this distance cannot be calculated straight away using the formula of the trigonometric ratio or maybe the Pythagoras theorem. These are the only two skills that we have right now. So we'll not be able to calculate this length. What we are going to do, we know the length of BC, which is 4.9. If I know the length from A to C, I'll take this length out from it. Then I'll be left with this part only, which is AB. So I can say that AB is going to be equal to AC minus BC. So the value of AB depends upon AC and BC. So I'll need to check out. Do I know the length of BC? Yes, I do. Do I know the length of AC? No, I don't. So first of all, I'll try to find out the length of AC. And where is AC? AC is the adjacent of the triangle ACT. This over here is AC. This is the adjacent in the triangle. This. Okay. So I'll consider the entire right angle triangle and I'll try to find out the length of AC. If I consider the whole triangle, in the whole triangle, I have the opposite, which is 13.5. I have the angle, which is 40, and I only need to calculate the adjacent, that is AC. So in part B, what we are going to do, we are going to use again the same trigonometric ratio, tangent, but this time the angle is going to be 40. Tangent 40 equals to opposite. Opposite is 13.5 upon adjacent. Adjacent is AC. So AC is going to be 13.5 divided by tangent 40. Let's see what is tangent 40 equals to. Instead of writing tangent 40, I'll write its value, which is 0.839. I'll divide 13.5 with 0.839. I'll get the length of AC. AC is going to be 16.08 centimeter. This is centimeter. The lengths are in centimeter. Now, remember why we were calculating AC? We were calculating AC so that we can calculate AB. Now that I have AC, I'll be able to calculate AB, which is going to be AB is equals to AC minus BC. Now, you have the value of AC, you have the value of BC. So I'll be able to calculate the distance from A to B. AC is 16.08 minus BC is 4.91. When I take out the difference, I'm left with Now I'll be left with 11.17 centimeter. That's the question.